Did you know Hiccup's mom was almost the villain in How to Train Your Dragon 2? In the original draft, Valka completely snapped when she found out Toothless lost part of his tail and blamed Hiccup for it. She stopped believing dragons and humans could ever live in peace. So she turned her bewildered beast on Berk, stole their dragons, and claimed she was protecting them in her sanctuary. It would have been heartbreaking, Hiccup and Stoic fighting Valka, their own family. After the final battle, she loses, retreats in regret, and realizes Hiccup did make peace between Vikings and dragons. And because they rewrote her character, we got one of the most emotional lines in the trilogy.
You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.